Welcome to our channel. Diagnosing PC hardware problems systematically saves time and money by helping you identify issues before seeking professional repair or replacing components unnecessarily. Step 1. Document all symptoms clearly, noting exactly when the problem occurs, any error messages, and what you were doing when the issue started. Step 2. Check external connections first by ensuring all cables are firmly seated, power supplies are switched on, and monitors are set to the correct input. Step 3. Listen for beep codes during startup which indicate specific hardware problems, consulting your motherboard manual to decode the beep patterns. Step 4. Eliminate software causes by booting into safe mode or running diagnostic tools to ensure the problem is actually hardware related. Step 5. Test RAM by reseating memory modules one at a time in different slots, or using memory testing software like memtest86 to identify faulty RAM. Step 6. Check for overheating issues using monitoring software to view component temperatures and physically clean dust from fans and heat sinks. Step 7. Test the power supply using a multimeter or power supply tester to verify it's delivering correct voltages, as failing power supplies cause many mysterious issues. Step 8. Isolate the problematic component by disconnecting non-essential hardware one piece at a time and testing if the problem persists. Step 9. Update or reinstall drivers for hardware components that aren't working correctly, as driver issues often masquerade as hardware problems. Step 10. Research your specific symptoms online, including your motherboard model and error messages, as others have likely encountered and solved the same problem. Your systematic approach is helping you identify and fix hardware issues efficiently. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.